So if you're going to split a file, this is called unlinking. So that's where you're going to take the audio and video and separate them. So when you put a file, a clip into the workspace, you notice that when you move one, you move the other. So if I'm moving down here, the video moves, move the video, the audio moves. So let's say you want to get rid of the video and just use the audio, vice versa. Real easy to do, okay? So you want to click on the clip, make sure it's highlighted, you know that because it's white. Right click, then go to unlink, and then now these are separate. So you can move this here, move it back, move this here, move it back. If you want to delete, you can get rid of that and just have it down.